Florida DMV test prep, parking and traffic. This video focuses on safety and control in traffic and parking. You'll hear the most frequently asked questions, plus the correct answers revealed after 3. Happy learning, let's go. 1. Parking is not permitted in which of these places? The correct answer is D, in a crosshatched pattern space. 2. The front wheels should be turned blank when parking downhill next to a curb. The correct answer is D, toward the vehicle ahead. 3. Among the following, which one is not considered a no parking zone? The correct answer is C, the edge or curb of a public road. 4. Is the red vehicle parked legally near the fire hydrant? Note, the correct answer is D. No, you cannot park within 15 feet of a fire hydrant. 5. What should you do before you pull out your parked vehicle towards the traffic side? The correct answer is D. Look for passing bicyclists, motorcyclists, and other vehicles. 6. You can never. The correct answer is B. Park your vehicle at a curb painted red. 7. What does the no standing sign mean? The correct answer is C. You can stop temporarily to discharge and/or pick up someone, but not park. 8. Which of these statements explains the right way of parking your vehicle? The correct answer is C. The car should be parked at a distance of, at least, 20 feet from the crosswalk at an intersection. 9. Under what condition is it illegal to park your vehicle? The correct answer is D. Parking in front of a private or public driveway is illegal. 10. What should you do if you arrive at a crossroad and a train is approaching? The correct answer is B. Stop at least 15 feet before the tracks. 11. What should you do if you see a no parking sign? The correct answer is B. You should not park your vehicle there. 12. If two cars are parked outside of a fire station, which of the following explains the scenario correctly? The correct answer is D. Car A must maintain a distance of at least 20 feet, and car B must maintain a distance of at least 75 feet from the driveway. 13. What kind of safety measures should you take when you park your vehicle on a hill? The correct answer is D. You should place your vehicle in gear, or the park position. 14. You should not park your vehicle within 10 to 15 feet of A. The correct answer is C. Fire hydrant. 15. What is the proper way to parallel park your vehicle on a leveled street between two cars? The correct answer is B. Make sure to straighten your wheels and leave sufficient room between the cars. 16. What should you do if you are parking your vehicle uphill and on a two-way street with no curb? The correct answer is C. Front wheels should be turned away from the street, right side. 17. Which of the following steps is unnecessary if you are trying to back your vehicle safely? The correct answer is D. Honk your horn before you try to back your vehicle up. 18. What markings indicate parking spaces for disabled citizens? The correct answer is B. Blue pavement markings. 19. You should do blank before pulling out into traffic if your car is parallel parked on the right side of the street. The correct answer is D. Look out for passing bicyclists, motorcyclists, and other vehicles. 20. When parking on a public road with a curb, what is the maximum distance your wheels can be from the curb? The correct answer is B. 1 foot or 12 inches. 21. When parking your vehicle uphill on a two-way street with a curb, in which direction should you turn your front wheels? The correct answer is C. Toward the left or away from the curb. 22. How can a driver avoid rear-end crashes? The correct answer is B. By following the 3-second rule. 23. What is the main cause of rear-end collisions? The correct answer is B. Tailgating. 24. What kind of structures are designed to allow vehicles to slow down and leave the expressways? The correct answer is A. Exit ramps. 25. What should you do if you approach an intersection that has a yellow traffic light? The correct answer is C. Slow down and proceed with caution. 26. Always blank if you and a bicycle come to an intersection at the same time. The correct answer is B. Yield to the bicycle. 27. In the state of Florida, blank is the minimum fine for speeding 1 to 9 miles per hour over the speed limit in a school zone. The correct answer is A. $50. 28. This figure indicates. The correct answer is D. A broken white line where passing other vehicles is allowed. 29. While driving on a 2-lane road, overtaking a vehicle is only allowed from the vehicles. The correct answer is C. Left side. 30. On a 2-lane undivided highway, the maximum speed limit a vehicle can reach while towing a trailer is. The correct answer is A. 55 miles per hour. 31. If your vehicle is within blank of an oncoming vehicle, dim your lights. The correct answer is D. 500 feet. 32. When traveling on a highway where there are both solid and dashed yellow lines between opposite traffic. The correct answer is A. Never pass if the solid yellow line is on your side. 33. Which of the following is false about passing a vehicle? The correct answer is D. Make the pass quickly by exceeding the speed limit. 34. What does a driver have to do if they need to turn left from a 2-way street onto a 1-way street? The correct answer is B. Turn their left wheel as close as possible to the yellow dividing line. 35. Emergency vehicles must never be followed closer than. The correct answer is D, 500 feet. 36. All trucks have blind spots at the. The correct answer is D, front, rear, and both sides. 37. How do you enter an express highway or freeway? The correct answer is C, by moving into the acceleration lane. 38. Look all four directions before backing up your vehicle, then concentrate, blank, while backing up. The correct answer is B, on the rear. 39. What should you do when a highway is divided into two roadways by a median or barrier? The correct answer is B. If there is no approved crossover, never drive across a barrier. 40. What should you do if you are prepared to turn left, but you see an oncoming vehicle at the intersection? The correct answer is A. Give the oncoming vehicle the right of way. 41. What should you do if your plan is to turn beyond an intersection? The correct answer is D. Signal when you have passed through the intersection. 42. Under what condition is a left turn allowed on a red light, which, otherwise, is against the law? The correct answer is A. Turning from a one-way street to another. 43. What should a driver do to check the traffic when wanting to change lanes? The correct answer is D. Check the traffic behind the vehicle as well as on the side. 44. Blank links a freeway to a road or another freeway following a series of ramps. The correct answer is C. An interchange. 45. Under what condition are you allowed to pass on to the left while driving on a two-lane road where traffic moves in the opposite direction? The correct answer is C. If there is a broken yellow line in your lane. 46. If you are traveling on a one-way street, which of the following statements is correct? The correct answer is B. The outside lane is for turning, while the center lane is for travel through. 47. What should you do if you see an emergency vehicle approaching you with its flashing lights? The correct answer is C. Pull over and stop, unless at an intersection. 48. What should you do if you are approaching a roundabout? The correct answer is B. Yield to the traffic in the circle. 49. If you are being followed by traffic while driving at high speeds on a two-lane road. The correct answer is C. Try not to slow down your vehicle suddenly, and concentrate on the road ahead. 50. True or false? The front wheels should be turned away from the curb when parking downhill next to a curb. The correct answer is false.